Here at Furman, we're looking at sustainability as being a journey, as having, not necessarily having a goal of sustainability, but recognizing that it's a journey. And through that whole process, I think that we oftentimes find that students and others can learn a lot from our learning laboratories here on our campus. The genesis for sustainability here at Furman, there was a seed that was planted about 15 years ago, which has really flourished here. And so I would say in the last 2 years, especially with the establishment of our David E. Shai Center for Sustainability, that this particular program in the country is one that many look to as a model. Students have a whole range of opportunities, and actually students at every age. Our college students have the opportunity through a general education requirement related to sustainability. All students now who enter Furman must take a course that's designated Humans in the Natural Environment, or really a sustainability-related course. The students also can take environmental studies concentration as a focus for their efforts. And in every department, we now have faculty that are teaching aspects of sustainability within their courses. I think the students' reaction has been a sincere interest in sustainability that is growing. And I would say that, again, that holistic approach to sustainability has really gathered the attention of our students and also others in the community and even nationally. Students here are very interested increasingly in studying sustainability and then also looking at how sustainability could affect their lifestyle and life choices, especially those students who are interested in having a high quality of life, very interested in societal well-being. Again, those aspects of sustainability tend to be of particular interest for our students here at Furman, because here at Furman we very much focus on training our students to be engaged in their communities, to serve their communities. And again, sustainability service is something that I think increasingly we have a lot of student interest in. For example, just this past week, we had a pilot that we helped facilitate with many other community members in the Greenville area to look at how we might retrofit homes that needed weatherization to improve energy efficiency. And so over 100 Furman students worked with folks in the community to share that type of assistance and service. And again, I think that type of interest is a real testament to the range, both students being interested in taking courses in sustainability, but also doing service related to sustainability in the Greenville area. And we'd like to see more and more of that, and also research. Real practical things that even homeowners in the Greenville area, we'd love to have more of them come and visit Furman to see some of our rain gardens that are here on campus, to visit our Furman Farm, which is an organic practice farm. We also have a farm stand that's every Thursday evening here at Furman in Greenville, especially in the summer. We also have several other examples that I think would be of sincere interest for the Greenville community and others across the state and nation. We also have 4 retrofitted cottages where our Greenbelt community lives, and these are students that compete to live in these cottages. They've been retrofitted to be, for example, more energy efficient. They have rain barrels to collect water. They have additional composting opportunities. And the students that apply to live in those cottages are a part of our Engaged Living and Learning program. So they take coursework that addresses some of the interest in areas in sustainability, but they also agree to live as sustainability related as possible, or in the sustainable fashion as possible, as well as serve as ambassadors for sustainability across our campus. I would say they are very excited to live there. It's a lovely location, a wonderful setting for the students in terms of the cottages themselves. And the cottages also provide a really wonderful learning community for the students, and also just a really nice place for them to live. So they have a really cohesive group that live in the Greenbelt. And again, this group is also interacting with other students on campus, but they've been drawn together because of that very special interest in sustainability. Largely what I've learned in studying sustainability for almost 15 years now myself as an academic is that sustainability is a concept that everyone can have a connection to, and it's something that I believe that we always are going to be looking at and looking towards, and how that manifests itself is something that we can study and hopefully practice.